Hi guys, go to CMAT site. The result is out for the CMAT exam. So you can go to the link which I've given in the description box also, and you can download your scorecard. So we have the result out for NTA. And once you click on the link, it will take you to the page where to put your application number, all the details, and you can see the result. But the result is quite shocking for few students. I just got a confirmation from three students. So thank you Ankit and Khushbu for informing me that number one result is out. And second thing is about this thing. So is there discrepancy? Number one reason could be for that. Please do tell me in the comments if you have felt the same thing. Is number one reason can be कि जो wrong question थे उसका क्या हुआ, whether they given extra marks, whether they cut marks for everyone. That could be one reason for that, for the discrepancy in the scores versus percentile. And second reason for that, for the discrepancy can be the number of applicants were very low. If the number of applicants become very low, the score versus percentile become distorted, because only if few people are giving the exam who are very serious about the exam, then the percentile become low. Okay, that's my initial analysis. I've not yet checked. I'll come back to this by evening. So let me check with other students as well, do some more research on that, and I'll come back to you on your percentile. In the meanwhile, if you can just post your score and percentile, I can then create a correlation between them, whether there's a link between them or not. So please post your score and percentile in the comment box if you can, so that we can do some analysis on that. Anyway, so first of all, check your result. All the best, and we'll see. अपने लिए percentile main है, ठीक है. Score जो भी हो important नहीं है, because all the colleges are looking at the percentile. तो CMATking.com/CMAT you can find out the cutoff, percentile wise cutoff for the various colleges for more details. All the best.